Is this too much? Actually, I don't think this is too much. For these looks, I'm going for Y2K. Starting with these shoes. What the fuck is this? So this is what the heels look like. I'm still trying to find a top to go with it. Just wanted to show you this bag. Like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing 3 looks. The day before the content, I'd like to bring out some of my clothes and just try them to see if it works. For these looks, I'm going for Y2K. So one of them, I want it to be like Miss Sister vibes. I've kind of brought out some clothes, but I'm still trying to figure out what to wear with it. I want to wear this jeans from Collusion. This is what it looks like. It's quite baggy. And this crop jeans is a bit like capri, but it's not capri. I want to wear this. Like I said, I want to style like Miss 60, but I still wanted to give off spring vibe. And I want to style it with these shorts. I was looking for like a mini skirt to wear, but I just cannot find any. I don't know where my mini skirts are hiding. You know, at the moment I'm feeling like I don't have any clothes to wear. I'm sure they'll pop up somewhere. So I also want to style this. So it's going to be like jeans. Ugh. I wanted one skirt. This is look 1. It's like a cropped jean and it's touching my calf. I think it was a look, but I'm not really feeling this now. Imagine me wearing this, right? And I also want to style it with this heels as well. And this hat. Is it given? What do you think? Is it given? I think it is. I definitely need to put some belts. Look for like a nice belt to go with it. Bag, obviously I'm gonna wear bag. This bag probably, is this too much? Actually, I don't think this is too much. And I'm going to start with this bag as well, but I'm going to look for a belt to go with this. Yeah, okay. So that's outfit 1 sorted. Outfit 2 is this jeans. It's really cropped, as you can see. It's literally touching my toes. I'm wearing heels with that one. And for the top, I'm going to wear this scarf. I'm going to make it into like a top. All right, let me wear it for you guys. This is a scarf. I really love this. But the thing I don't like about it is that it's too short. The arms is too short. So if I was to put it this way, it's like I'm literally strangled. I mean, I can just like clip it in and not show the back because it looks weird. The scarf is a bit too short. If I try doing this, is it gonna work? I don't know. I think I'll just do it this way. Oh my gosh, this would have looked good with my big hoop earring, but my hoop earring is damaged. Ah! And then I was thinking of wearing this hat as well. Is it too much black? My sister told me it's better like this. So what I did is, obviously the arm, cross it over, tuck it in there. And I'm just gonna pin it down later. So like so. That's the back. I'm still gonna wear my heels as well. Cute. See, my mom have style. This is my mom's scarf, okay? Per mommy. For this third look, I want to wear these shorts. Wear this with these strappy heels. So this is what the heels look like. I don't know if you can see it. This is what it looks like. Yeah. I'm still trying to find a top to go with it. I'll check my sister's wardrobe. So I want to wear the jacket with these shorts. This is what I thought of. The same crop, the shorts, the jacket, and the heels. I don't know. I thought the outfit was too much, but my sister said it's fine. And I also added this belt as well. So my outfit is sorted. And for the makeup, I still haven't decided what makeup to do yet. This is my outfit done. I'll try to find my jewelries. Now I'm going to edit my video, and this is a video I posted last week. So go watch it after this, okay?
This suitcase was not enough, so we took our own individual suitcases. Morning, the sun is shining. I only had like 4 hours 30 minutes sleep. I was editing my video. But anyways, I'm gonna do my makeup now. See you later. I literally hate my fucking makeup. Like I had to take off my, what the fuck is this? I literally had to take off my lashes, clean my makeup. I really hate it. I'm gonna wear glasses throughout. I can't be asked. I spent an hour trying to put my lashes on and it just didn't work, so I had to switch it up for a different one. We found a location. Obviously I'm gonna keep this side because we don't want anyone coming here. Okay, this is look 1. Oh, this keeps coming off. Who told you that content creating is easy? It's not easy. Actually, it's my hair, child. It's not easy. Being a content creator is not easy. YouTube is not easy either. So, like and subscribe.
It's cold as fuck.
We are changing into the second look. I just wanted to show you this bag.
I'm looking at the girl cause she
never
shake it up,
beat it.
steady. You rock it up, shake it up, move it up, ready. I'm looking at the girl cause she shake it up, steady. You rock it up, shake it up, move it up, ready. Ow.
Touch my soul, my soul, my soul, my soul, my soul, my soul, my soul.
Finally back. We did it. So many things went wrong. First of all, I spent an hour doing my eyelashes. That's what delay does. I just couldn't do my lashes. I don't know why. My sister dropped her precious ring, gold ring. Then she was about to forget her phone on the tube station. Luckily someone, took it for her. My Oyster card broke. It was really damn cold that we couldn't really find the right spots for lighting. The photo were coming out dark, so we had to move to different locations. We did it. Now time to get ready for work. I'm going to wait for Uber Eats to come so I can eat because I haven't eaten actually, and I only drank half cup of water today. It amazes me how my room was clean before I got ready, but after I got ready, it looks like a dumpster. Menu is bibimbap. Rather than using beef, I'll be using salmon, and I'm going to boil some rice and cut some vegetables. So bibimbap is a Korean meal that contains rice, vegetables, beef, and egg. Anytime I'm making Korean meal, I like to use short grain rice, and this is also sushi rice, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think sushi rice is also the same as short grain rice, isn't it? I've washed my salmon. Got my chopping board and a paper towel. This salmon there. This is just to soak in all the water. This is your sign to buy your salmon from the butchers rather than the supermarkets, because in the supermarkets the salmon tends to be so small. I don't know why, but anyways, look at how big and succulent these are. Do you know what I hate the most? When I'm so hungry and my order gets cancelled. My first order got cancelled and I didn't know about it, so I had to go to Inish to order a Nigerian meal. Luckily, it came early. I don't really trust jollof rice sometimes, because I feel like not everyone knows how to cook it. Ooh. Oh, it has a nice smell. It's plain as fuck. And I've got soup out. Ooh, it's done. And I'm washing the spinach I got from the outdoor market. By the way, I feel like the spinach they sell in the outdoor market is actually better than the ones they sell in supermarket. I don't know, the quality just feels so different. Like for example, when I blanch this spinach, is to maintain its crunchiness after I put it in cold water, but when I blanch the ones I bought in the supermarket, it's so soft and mushy, which I really don't like. I only blanch my spinach for like a few seconds and then take it out and then rinse it in cold water. Remember to always rinse into cold water so it wouldn't overcook. Afterwards, I like to squeeze out all the water in it. And this is the bean sprout. I added a pinch of salt. I also blanched it in hot water for a few, just I think for a minute, and took it out. I like to do everything at once. Once I'm done my meal, I like to just pack it for lunch so I wouldn't have to bother in the morning. Look at my makeup. Ew. I'm literally struggling to keep my eyes open. Just put that there. Anytime I have makeup, I like to triple cleanse. I first clean the makeup with oil, and the second time I also clean the makeup with oil. This is just to remove any makeup that didn't come out in the first go, and then I clean with my cleanser. Remember to always brush your teeth, kids, no matter how tired you are.
Finally, I'm in bed. Okay cuties, good night. This is the end of this video. Thank you for always watching my video. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.